Hydrogen percentage by weight in crude petroleum may be about A5, B15, C25, D35. The correct answer is 15. Which of the following is an additive used for improving the cetane number of diesel? A. Tetra-ethyl lead. B. Tetramethyl lead. C. Ethyl nitrate or acetone. D. None of these. The correct answer is tetraethyl lead. Tetra-ethyl lead is added in gasoline to A. Increase its smoke point. B. Reduce gum formation. C. Reduce the pour point. D. Increase its octane number. The correct answer is increase its octane number. Aromatics are desired constituents of A. Lubricating oil. B. Diesel. C. Kerosene. D. Petrol. The correct answer is petrol. Crude topping column operates at pressure A. Atmospheric. B. 10 atm. C. Vacuum. D. 3 atm. The correct answer is atmospheric. Octane number unleaded of gasoline produced by isomerisation of butane may be about A. 45. B. 55. C. 70. D. 90. The correct answer is 70. In a refinery, petroleum crude is fractionated into gas fraction light ends, intermediate distillates, heavy distillates, residues, and byproducts. The group of products including gas oil, diesel oil, and heavy fuel oil belongs to the fraction A. Heavy distillates. B. Intermediate distillates. C. Light ends. D. Residues. The correct answer is heavy distillates. Feedstock for polymerisation is A. Naphtha. B. Cracked gases rich in C2C4 olefins. C. Low boiling aromatics. D. None of these. The correct answer is cracked gases rich in C2C4 olefins. Pick out the correct statement pertaining to catalytic cracking. A. With increase in the reactor pressure, octane number of gasoline decreases. B. With increase in the reactor temperature, gasoline yield decreases for a given conversion. C. Percentage conversion increases with increase in the catalyst to oil ratio. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Which of the following is a naphthene? A. Butane. B. Butadiene. C. Cyclohexane. D. Acetylene. The correct answer is cyclohexane. With increase in the number of carbon and hydrogen atoms in hydrocarbon molecules, the density of petroleum products A. decreases. B. increases. C. remains same. D. unpredictable from the data. The correct answer is increases. Smoke point of a good burning kerosene may be around mm. A. 0.5. B. 20-25. C. 60-75. D. 100-120. The correct answer is 20-25. Increase in the specific gravity of petroleum products indicates A. decrease in paraffin content. B. increase in thermal energy per unit weight. C. increase in aromatic content. D. higher HC ratio. The correct answer is decrease in paraffin content. Which of the following processes is used for the production of petroleum coke? A. stabilization. B. Visbreaking. C. cracking. D. reforming. The correct answer is cracking. Quinoline is an compound. A. sulfur. B. nitrogen. C. oxygen. D. none of these. The correct answer is nitrogen. Flash point of diesel kerosene 50C is determined by the A. Abel apparatus. B. Penske-Martin's apparatus. C. Saubolt chromometer. D. none of these. The correct answer is Penske-Martin's apparatus. Visbreaking. A uses natural gas as feed. B is carried out at atmospheric pressure. C produces fuel oil of lower viscosity. D produces gasoline only. The correct answer is produces fuel oil of lower viscosity. Cetane number of alpha-methyl naphthalene is assumed to be A 0, B 100, C 50, D. The correct answer is 0. Methyl tertiary butyl ether MTBE, a high octane number 115 gasoline blending component, is produced by the simple additive reaction of isobutylene with A methyl alcohol, B ethyl alcohol, C methane, D ethane. The correct answer is methyl alcohol. LPG when brought to atmospheric pressure temperature will be A liquid lighter than water, B liquid heavier than water, C gas lighter than air, D gas heavier than air. The correct answer is gas heavier than air. The main purpose of recycling the byproduct hydrogen gas in the reformer reactor is to A obviate catalyst poisoning, B maintain the reaction temperature, C sustain the reactor pressure, D hydrogenate the feedstock. The correct answer is sustain the reactor pressure. The order of preference for feedstock to a catalytic reformer is A catalytic naphtha, coking naphtha, virgin naphtha, B coking naphtha, virgin naphtha, catalytic naphtha, C virgin naphtha, catalytic naphtha, coking naphtha, D virgin naphtha, coking naphtha, catalytic naphtha. The correct answer is coking naphtha, virgin naphtha, catalytic naphtha. True vapor pressure of a petroleum fraction. Read vapor pressure. A is less than, B is more than, C is same as, D may be either more or less than. The correct answer is more than. Hydrocracking employs A high pressure temperature, B low pressure temperature, C high pressure and low temperature, D high temperature and low pressure. The correct answer is high pressure temperature. Sour crude means the bearing crude. A asphalt, B sulfur compounds, C wax, D nitrogen compounds. The correct answer is sulfur compounds. The main aim of cracking is to produce A gasoline, B lube oil, C petrolatum, D coke. The correct answer is gasoline. The general formula of naphthenes is A CnH2n2, B CnH2n6 where N6, C CnHn4, D same as that for olefins, i.e. CnH2n. The correct answer is same as that for olefins, i.e. CnH2n. Solvent naphtha, used mostly as a solvent in paints and perfumery, is produced by the of virgin naphtha into small boiling range cuts. A steam reforming, B distillation, C desulfurization, D none of these. The correct answer is distillation. Which of the following has the highest flash point of all? A diesel, B kerosene, C petrol, D furnace oil. The correct answer is furnace oil. The characterization factor of crude petroleum oil is around A 3, B 11, C 22, D 28. The correct answer is 11. The amount of tetra-ethyl lead added to improve the octane number of motor gasoline is around C.C per gallon of petrol. A 3, B 300, C 3000, D 1000. The correct answer is 3. Which of the following is the most widely used cracking process in oil refineries? A Dubs process, B TCC moving bed process, C fluidized bed catalytic cracking process, D. Howdry's fixed bed process. The correct answer is fluidized bed catalytic cracking process. Catalyst used in the catalytic polymerisation is A. Phosphoric acid on kieselguhr, B. Aluminium chloride, C. Nickel, D. Vanadium pentoxide. The correct answer is phosphoric acid on kieselguhr. Petroleum liquid fuels having flash point greater than 66 C is considered as safe during storage and handling. Which of the following has flash point 66 C? A. Naphtha, B. Petrol, C. Kerosene, D. Heavy fuel oil. The correct answer is heavy fuel oil. The solvent used in Barisol dewaxing process is A. hexane, B. furfural, C. benzol and ethylene dichloride, D. methyl ethyl ketone MEK. The correct answer is benzol and ethylene dichloride.